Face diet, key line, little groove under nose. Cover the mouth. Use all fingers to apply the skin above the lips from top to bottom. Repeat 3 times. Hold the mouth in a pronounced O style. Use the middle finger and ring finger to cover the skin above the upper lip from right to left. Switch sides. Do the same method. Use your right index finger on the groove above the lips. As for the left index finger, place the left side of the groove above the lips and then gently push into the right index finger. Switch sides. Do the same method.